Hello everyone, this is your favorite Murted, and today I'm going to show you what just happened recently. This news is not very famous in US, but this is very famous, getting very famous in Pakistan. This is Geo TV, the satellite TV channel of Pakistan. It's called Geo TV, Geo News, Pakistani satellite TV. Biden to nominate Pakistani origin Silicon Valley Lina Khan to head US FTC. Let's watch first, then we will see what happens. This is from the Geo News. So this is Lina M. Khan, Washington. US President Joe Biden announced late Monday his intention to nominate the Pakistani origin critic, Big Tech, Silicon Valley, Lina Khan to head the Federal Trade Commission, an agency which authority over some major mergers and antitrust policies. For example, YouTube, Facebook, Apple, Google, and all that. Lina Khan. Who is Lina Khan? Let's look at Lina Khan from her own blog, rather her own website. This is the website. The link will be in the description. It's linamkhan.com. linamkhan.com. That's her biography. That's her biography. Lina Khan, Associate Professor of Law at Columbia. This is Lina M. Khan. This is Lina Khan. This is the bio page. But what is the about page? Let's go to the main page. This is Lina M. Khan. If we go into Wiki, she is this girl. Same girl, same girl, same girl. I am married to Khan is married to Shah Ali, who is a cardiologist as well. His name is Shah Ali. Probably she is not a very devout Muslim. I hope so. She will be regulating the antitrust community, the antitrust laws, authorities of all the big techs, giants, for example, Facebook, Google, Apple, and top regulatories in the United States. I hope her Islamic views does not come and hinder her ability to perform her task, and she is not biased in regulating the rules and regulations. I hope she will be able to perform her tasks with due diligence without being influenced by the Islamic teaching, without being influenced by the teachings of Muhammad and the teachings of Islam. Because at least in Pakistan, where she belongs from, we have laws that you can't even say things which will hurt the feelings of Muslimin. Because in Pakistan, these are the very basic laws. Check the law 298. Uttering of any word or making any sound or making any gesture or placing of any object in the sight which with the deliberate intention of wounding the religious feelings of any person. Feelings. We are here talking about feelings. We are here talking about feelings. And the penalty is 1 year imprisonment or fine or both. She comes from this part of the world. I hope she won't follow this. I hope she won't follow the teachings of Muhammad when she is regulating the laws in the United States for these big techs. Let's see another law, 298A. This is the Act of Pakistan. This is the Act of Pakistan, the law number of the Act of Pakistan. Okay, this is PC, the Act of Pakistan. Use of derogatory remarks, etc., in respect of holy personage. This law was implemented in 1980. So if you say Muhammad was a pedophile, that's a derogatory remark in Pakistan that we can put you in 3 years imprisonment or fine or both. 295A. Deliberate and malicious act intended to outrage religious feelings of any class. So if you are deliberately saying that Muhammad was raping women and having sex with the capture of war, and he gave those capture of war to his followers to rape them, you can be imprisoned for up to 10 years. That's 295A, Law of Pakistan, 1927, Act 1927. Defiling Quran, you can defile Bible any day in Pakistan. But if you defile Quran, tear up Quran, that is imprisonment for life. For life. 295C. Use of derogatory remarks spoken directly, written directly or indirectly. Means even if you don't use the word Muhammad, but you would say in such a way that it will point to Muhammad. Hey guys, you follow somebody who was a child abuser, mandatory death and fine according to the act which was revised in 1990. And the trial must be placed in court of session with the Muslim judges, not Christian judges, not Hindu judges, Muslim judge. Act of Pakistan 295C. I hope, I wish, and I pray that when this lady will perform her duties, she will not be influenced by these laws, by what Muhammad said and Muhammad did, and what she follows, being a Muslimah, being married to a person who is from a direct descendant in blood from Muhammad's line, because his name is Shah Ali. Shah is a caste which defines that you are from the tribe of Quraysh and you are from the line of Muhammad or his grandfather or his great-great-grandfather. Being that, said that, she would have a very devout kind of a family. I assume, I do not know, I assume, I might be wrong, but I hope none of that influence her in performing her duties and tasks. With that, I'm gonna end this video. Take care guys, God bless you all.